नहीं पूछता. Everybody, how are you guys? Okay. So today we will do something topic rounds that you are going to speak. Randomly topic I will give you and you have to speak about it. और आज के दिन जो आप topic जो कुछ भी बोलोगे, you have to utilize this place. It means you are the boss. Feel like this and speak whatever you can speak to just make anyone impress or make me impressed at how you are speaking and the way you are speaking. And today we will see that how you guys are speaking. So are you guys ready?
Yes. Yes.
Why only Angel and Nancy said yes?
Ready?
I am ready.
Yes,
I am ready.
Okay.
Yes, I am ready.
You can speak English?
Yes.
Can you speak?
Yes. Yes,
You
I
can
can.
speak?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see who will do first. Who wanna do first? कौन पहले बोलना चाहेगा guys बताओ.
Jennifer.
No.
Jennifer.
So, sir, please no.
Okay.
I know.
As Angel always first, so I would like to call Angel first. अगर तो अपने आप को मान दो तो. Okay, clap for Angel guys.
Angel.
Utilize your place. तुम्हारा place है. जो बोलना है बोलो.
Angel is cute.
जो.
So hello everyone, as you know my name is Angel and as you also know that I come first, so I am always first. So today I am standing here to speak about the topic on self-beliefs. So without wasting any time, let's start my topic. So what is self-belief? Like what we think that what is self-belief? What is the advantage of self-belief? So without self-belief, we can never do the things which we want. Like it's difficult to be happy, have a career, be enjoyed and make an impact on others. If we don't believe in ourselves, without self-belief, no one will believe in us and we will go through our life with our heads down. In my experience, people don't believe in themselves because they think that I could never do what that person did. Why? If that person learned and do anything, so why you cannot do? If you never try, you never achieve any kind of success. And how we can expect others to give us a chance or to bet on us if we don't believe in ourselves. So that's why it is important to believing in yourself. If we don't believe in ourselves, we can't do anything. Like if you think that I can learn English, and if you don't have self-belief by yourself, if you depend on others, like he can learn English. He teach me that he teach me English. I speak English. So if you never try by yourself, so how can you speak English? Anything you want to do, but if you never try by yourself, so you can't do. You don't have self-belief. So how can you do that? That's why it's important to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you can't achieve anything. Thank you.
Okay, nice clap for guys. So guys, have a huge hand for Angel guys. हमारा topic में first time बोला है और बहुत ही अच्छा बोला है, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Nice. मतलब कोई डर नहीं था बिल्कुल भी. ऐसा लग रहा था yes, English speaker है. And I can trust now. I can believe that you can win.
Yes.
Right.
Appreciate.
Who would like to go? I mean, who would like to come now? कौन आना चाहेगा next? कौन आना चाहेगा next? Your family is watching guys. वो क्या सोचेंगे अगर तुम अपने आप को second पे पिन देख रहे? Jennifer, clap for Jennifer guys.
Hey everybody, my name is Jennifer. So today I am going to tell you about freedom fighters. So freedom fighters were the people who sacrificed their lives selflessly for the freedom of our country. And Jawaharlal Nehru, he was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14 November 1889. He was much loved much of children. And Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter of India, and he was born on 2 October 1869. He in Porbandar, Gujarat, and his full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And Rani Lakshmibai, he was a great bravest freedom fighter.
She was
She was born.
not an issue.
Okay. She was born on 14 November 1828 and Varanasi, and
She was.
Her childhood name was Manikarnika, horse rider, and Rani Lakshmibai was the bravest girl, and Bhagat Singh was the bravest freedom fighters of India. He was born. He is known as the Shahid Bhagat Singh. He is also known as Shahid Bhagat Singh, and he was born on 28th September in Sikh family in Punjab. And all freedom fighters are very good. They liberated our country. So thank you.
Nice. Wait. Yes, guys, clap for everybody. ऐसे हाथ रहेगा तुम्हारे लिए भी ऐसे ही हाथ होगा. Show your, don't show your personality. Yeah, everybody.
You don't have.
Jennifer, the story is all about, now today topic is all about to motivate someone, right? But you were not motivated, but you were doing best thing also. You were remembering everyone, the old freedom fighters, that what they have done in their life, and that's why because of them we are standing here, we are able to live. If our India is not freedom, so definitely we can't survive, right? That's why we are standing here. So just because of you, people would able to know that are freedom fighters. Okay, clap for it. Who's going to next? Lisa, clap for Lisa. Clap for Lisa, come fast.